Hello guys, you are welcome back, and now in this video I'll be taking you around the various tabs we have in the manager account. So first of all, we have the app manager, and this is the app manager, and the second one I'll be showing you after this manager account. So first of all, here you can see that we have the app setup is at 75%. Our app is already set up, but there are some information we still need to add to make it 100%, and these are the tags to complete. So first of all, we have the provide frequently asked question. Secondly, we have kindly add at least one of the information. So all of this, we'll take them one by one. So firstly, we have this provide frequently asked question, and for us to complete this, you need to click on this three dash icon that we have here. So we can see here in this tab we have the about section, we have frequently asked questions, our service, our blog, inbox, and settings. So just click on this frequently asked question in order to complete this first task. So when you click on the frequently asked questions, and this frequently asked questions is the section where you are to add likely questions you have to, that maybe your users will need to ask you as the owner of the application, and you also need to provide the answers to them. So, and in order to add this frequently asked question, all you need to do is to click on this plus icon, and for example I'll be adding one frequently asked question as example, so you can do the rest by yourself. So firstly, you enter the question, and it goes this way. Let me add what should be the first question. Okay, the first question should be maybe how can I download this app? So your answer should now be, maybe if you have already uploaded your app to Google Play Store, you can just direct the user that they should to download this app. Kindly visit Google Play Store. So the first one is how can I download this app? That's the question, and the one below it is the answer, and that is just how to create your frequently asked questions. And if you have many more lists to add, you can just add once you save this, and you still have more frequently asked questions to add. The one we added will show here, and the new ones you need to add is just to click on this plus icon again and redo the process, and it goes that way. So that is for the frequently asked question. So let's go back to the app manager. That's the frequently asked question. So, and to go back to the app manager, okay, just come here to, okay, before that let me just show you around this. The first tab here we have is about. Let's click on the about, and let me show you this about section. Here you select the section, and this is the about, and this is where you enter any information about your application, about your VTU app. And this example of what you can write: welcome to VTU app, mobile app, your number is this, blah blah blah. So you can just add a short description about your app in this box, and it goes on that way. And if you have any video, if you have any image to illustrate or that will represent your company or your app, you can just upload the image here, just as this image is showing here. And at default, this image is set at default, so if you don't have any image to show, this image will always show here. So then you save this. That is the about section, and the next section should be our service. we're going to see that here it's a kind of, it's like my network is a little bit slow, so let's wait this to load. All right, so let's go there again. So the third one, we have our services. So let's open in this tab. This tab will show you all of the services that is available on this app, the kind of services this application that we are creating is capable to perform. So you can see we have their list here. We have the airtime, Airtel airtime, MTN airtime, Glo airtime, mobile, 9 mobile airtime, 9 mobile airtime pin, and Airtel data, and so on. All of these are all of the service that this app will be able to perform after we complete this, creating the application. So, and this is the services it can perform. So then let's move on to the next one, which is our blog. And in this our blog section, this is where you can be adding some kind of articles that will be explaining your service, how to use your services. You can add any blog here, any article here. It should be maybe a kind of article that will explain more about your services, or whenever you have new services to add. So once you click on it, here will be your heading. You type in your heading, maybe how to fund your VTU wallet account, and here you enter the details on how to fund the VTU wallet account. So it's as easy as that. So, and once you are done with all of that, if you have any image to attach, you click on this image and browse to select your image from your gallery, and then you click on save to save your content. All of this I'll be showing you in the application, where you can access the blog, your services, and as well as the about section that we have done previously. So what next? Okay, here we have the inbox. Maybe this inbox is for you, that is the messages you can get from this your network providers, maybe the Samora boot itself. And the next thing, and the most important thing here, is the settings option. So you move on to the settings option, and in this section there's a lot of things we can do here. We have the general settings, we have the password, word settings, and the social links. So under the general settings, we have where we can change the logo of our app, and here this is where you have to upload the logo of your app. The kind of logo you want your app should always show. So all you need to do is to click on this upload new logo. Once you select it, then you click on the upload in the other section here. So it's very simple. Because of time, let me just leave it that way, so you can just do it on your own. And once you do it and maybe you didn't get what I mean, you can just let me know. So under the app information, you have the app name, your email address, the recipient email. So this recipient email is that any whatever information that you need from your network provider, maybe your network provider needs to contact you, maybe you fund your manager account, wallet, and many more. So this recipient email will be the email they will always send me your messages to contact you. That this is otherwise called your contact email. So, and it is very possible maybe you have used this email email to create the app, and you don't want to be receiving the messages in this email, so you can decide to change the email, so anyone you like. So after clicking here, you can just enter the new email here, and if not, let me just continue with this. And okay, here we have the email delivery. We have enable and we have disable. And what this email delivery means is that whatever you do, maybe you fund a customer's wallet account, or maybe or you buy maybe you buy data or airtime like that, or if any action you perform from this manager app to your users, maybe you debit a user or you credit a user wallet account, So this email delivery, if you enable it, it is going to automatically send message or notify the users that a particular action have been taken to their account. But whenever if you set this at disabled, whatever action you perform in any user's account, they will never receive any notification about it. So, and it is best advisable to just leave it enabled, because you just need to make everything simple. So now and then what next? Okay, we have done we have this account activation via email. So this one you can set it to enable, because you once you enable this, your users will have to verify their email account before they can have an account, before their account can be activated to perform any service. And this one will just help you that users should not be using wrong email to create accounts in your application. So you can enable or decide to enable this. So all of this is up to you. And we have the address location, so you can just input your location, the address of your business center. You can just write the address there and your mobile number, and here is your manager ID. So, and this manager ID is very important to you. So we use this manager ID to log in into this our manager panel. So all you need to do, as this manager ID, you don't need to show, you need to secure this manager ID as possible as you can. So, and if you feel that this your manager ID has been compromised, maybe somebody can have access to it, you can just decide to generate a new one. Once you click on it, it will generate a new one and it's going to change this manager ID automatically. So, and that is that. And the next one is the home page settings, theme color. So what is the color, what is the brand color, what is the color of your branding, and the kind of color you want to display on your app. You will see that the application I sent to you as sample the other time is in purple color. So this is the place I choose the purple color. So if you love something yellow, you click on it, or you want something blue, any color you want that is your branding, that is what you have to choose here. And then this logo on app, whenever you click on the app, whenever you open the app, is it the logo you want to show or the name of the app you want it to show? Anyone you want. So anyone you want, just click on it, and it's we have the logo on app, so display text or display logo. So this one, you just set it to display text, let it show only text, the name of your application at the top of your app anytime you are using it. And that is all for this general settings. So let me stop here, and in the next video I'll continue from where I stop. But after that, make sure you click on this save changes so that all your changes will be saved. See you in the next video.